Ford Excursion, the 6.0. Quick oil change. Before you drop the oil, first thing you want to do is change the filter. The filter's up top here. So it's really important to use the OEM filter here. Some of the aftermarket ones are a little longer. You want to make sure you've got the stock cap on here still. If you don't, you might need to run a different filter. But this is the stock cap, so you want to run the stock length filter. If you don't, you'll bypass, won't work properly, and you could end up with unfiltered oil running through your system. I always just like to check for any nasty stuff in here. Contamination. This one looks good. I want to check your standpipe down in there. Make sure everything looks good. I'm gonna go get a light because I can't see. Just want to make sure all of the springs are still in there and intact. There's your bypass there, looks good. Standpipe's not cracked. I'm not seeing anything crazy down in there. And that's all you're looking for. Once that's done, you get your new filter in. New filter comes with a new O-ring for your cap. Go. This piece snaps in here. Once you hear that, you're good. I like to pour a little bit of fresh oil down in there. Just to flush things out. Once you push the filter down, it'll open up the bypass. Down. Just bring that down, hand tight, and then a little more with your socket. That's more than enough. Okay, let's go over here. Now that the filter's changed, you can come underneath, start draining the oil. This truck has a quick drain on it. A little quarter turn valve on it. You just flip this towards you or away from you. Forget which one it is. Away from you. And turn it. And that's it. Let that drain. While that's doing that, we'll check the filter, the air filter. So it's not horrible, but could definitely be cleaned out. Stuff in there. We'll turn the compressor on and blow this out real quick. Where'd that chair come from?
Down there because our physical is there. I'm going to pour some of these over here.
Okay. We might have to charge it. Okay, much better. Throw this back in and finish the oil. Yeah. Okay, that's much better than it was. Back to the oil. Go make sure this has stopped draining. Okay. That's about done. What you do is turn it back up. Look for any shiny bits. Looks alright. Go back up on top. And this takes 15 quarts. Okay, right up to the full line. That's good enough to start it. Okay, let's start this thing up. It might take a minute until the oil pumps through. Or not. Started right up. Good oil pressure. Sounds good. Sounds good. Okay. Let it sit. Check the oil again. Call it good.